Hey Tube, welcome back. Today we continue our series on design and chat system. Where's the design? Yeah, that's it. Design and chat system. And today we will talk about how to work with the user disconnecting or disconnection. So let's just put the title that we're going to work on. I'll say user disconnection. So for this one, let's say that we have the user is logging in, like it's connecting and disconnecting all the time, and we need to provide an information so that the pre-seen services could just pick this information, and based on this information they will show the user as online or offline. So we all wish our internet connection is consistent and reliable. However, this is not always the case. Thus, we must address this issue in our design. When a user disconnects from the internet, the persistent connection between the client and the server is lost. A naive way that we can do is that to handle the user disconnection is to mark the user as offline and change the status to online when the connection is re-established. However, this approach has a major flaw. It is a common for users to disconnect and reconnect to the internet frequently in short time. For example, a network connection can be on and off while a user goes through a tunnel or go to elevator or something like that. So updating the online status on every disconnect and reconnect would make the pre-seen indicator change too often, and this will result a poor user experience. So we introduce something called a heartbeat mechanism. So what is a heartbeat mechanism? A heartbeat mechanism in the chat system, a heartbeat event is a mechanism used to indicate the pre-scenes or availability of user or participant in the chat. It involves sending a periodic signals or messages between the client user's device, for example, and the server to let the server know the user is actively engaged or online. This helps in maintaining the real-time status to the user to ensure that the users are up to date. The users are up to date. So how it works? It's like it's we in to solve this problem. Periodically, an online client. Sorry, let me close the door. An online client sends a heartbeat event presence to the presence server. If presence servers receive a heartbeat event within a certain time, say 30 seconds from the client, a user is considered as online. Otherwise, it's offline. So let's assume that we have the client here. Okay. And let's just make this one big. And let's copy this one. And we have the server. Okay. So let's see. We have like, let's take an arrow like that. But I want this arrow to be straight. And can I, yeah. Okay. So let's just take the pen. No, I want a pen. Where's the pen? Okay. So what will happen here is that first the client sends a heartbeat event to the server every 30 seconds or 5 seconds. After three heartbeat events, the client is disconnecting and does not reconnect within, for example, X amount of time, like let's say 30 seconds. And the set online. So for example, the client will send a heartbeat to the server. Okay. and the heartbeat receive the status as online. Okay, it will send it again. It will send the heartbeat and will connect it in line every for example every 5 seconds. Okay, and for example again it will send the heartbeat. Okay, and it will assume it's as online. Oh, okay. And after that, maybe you have. Oh, what's going on? Let's just refresh the spot again. I don't like mirror for that. Okay, thank God that they are crashed in the end of the video, but I need to let's try to find what's going on. Okay, that's interesting. They have do they have something here? Okay, that's weird. Anyway, so as I showed it to you before, we have the when the three when we connect with the heartbeat with 3 times, we consider as online. When the time goes by and we didn't, there was a problem loading a board. Please, okay, okay, that's fine. Okay, so as you can see here, maybe like I don't know. Miro is a good platform, but I don't know why they did that with me. However, so right now, when you just see this one, when you just connect it 3 times and we call it online, let's say that we didn't send anything in this meanwhile. Okay, so when we didn't send anything after after a period of time, let's example 555. So in 10 seconds, if we didn't send anything again, we will consider it as offline. And that's it. It's a pretty easy, straightforward video. And that's it for this video. I hope my description was quite good. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. And see you in future problems.